In this video, I will show you how to use HubSpot for real estate. First, log into your HubSpot account and open the dashboard. From there, go to the CRM section, where you can store and manage your contacts. Add your buyers, sellers, and leads by clicking Create Contact and entering their information. Next, use the Deals section to track property transactions. Create a new deal for each client or property, assign it to the appropriate sales stage, and update the stage as the transaction progresses from inquiry to closing. To keep in touch with clients, open Marketing and use the Email tool to create follow-up emails or newsletters. You can also use workflows to automate emails, reminders, and follow-up tasks so you never miss an opportunity. If you want to capture new leads, go to Marketing, then Forms, and create a lead capture form for your website. You can also build a landing page to promote property listings or special offers, and collect inquiries automatically. Finally, use the Reports and Analytics section to monitor lead generation, deal progress, and sales performance. This helps you understand which marketing efforts are bringing in the most clients, and where you can improve. That's how you can use HubSpot for real estate. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.